cloudy 19, Cleveland cloudy 19, Cincinnati cloudy 20, Toledo cloudy 17, and Columbus cloudy 20. The Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania climate summary for yesterday, February 9th, 2021. Yesterday's high temperature was 29 degrees. Record high is 68 degrees, which was last set in 2001. And the low 22.
Here we go. Siren not working on my recon.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
Why is my R1650 siren not going off?
Test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. The Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania climate summary for yesterday,
WAC is going to go off anyway.
2021. Yesterday's high temperature was 29 degrees. Record high is 68 degrees, which was last set in 2001.
Alright then. Okay, for a second, why is my R1650 siren not going off? Fix this issue. I've told it to... Hold on, what's... Shoot. Of course. Oh, here we go. RWT on WHC. But still, my recom! This is what you get, recom!